So this question was asked in GATE 2016 Electronics and Communication paper set 1, in which you have given a plot f of x with respect to x, and you need to integrate this f of x from -5 to x and mark the correct graph from these four options. That is, you need to find out the integration of this f of x. So the NPTEL reference for this question is Network and Systems by Professor V.G.K. Murthy, IIT Madras. And you can find reference in lecture number 3, which is Introductory Concepts. So the useful data for this question is, if you have given a ramp signal R of t, which is defined as this graph, that R of t, and this is your t. So the integration of this ramp signal will give you parabola. And if you have given a unit step signal that is defined from this, and if you integrate this unit step signal, then you will get ramp signal, that is R of t, ramp, that is R of t. So with these two useful data, let's come to the solution. You have given a graph which is from -5 to +5, -5 to +5, and you need to integrate this graph. This is your f of x is given. So when you integrate this, as the integration of ramp signal, as this is a ramp signal, these are the ramp signals. So the integration of ramp signal is the parabola signal. So graph will be simple parabola signal. This is your -5 and this is your 5. So from the options, you can see only option C is the representing the correct integration of this f of x, and option A, B, D are wrong. So the correct answer for this question is option C.